Woo! How's it going, everyone? Right here again. Bonus video for the week, huh? Alright. Well, I just got this new lavalier mic for my F2, and I really wanted to give it a shot. I picked up a Sony Ecm-Lv1 lav mic, and I saw someone recommend it somewhere on a Motovlog video, and I really wanted to give it a try with my F2 because I really like the audio quality of the F2. But there's a few things on that mic that were bugging me that probably weren't bugging y'all, but I'm kind of a perfectionist. In my opinion, if I'm going to be doing videos like this, I would at least like for the audio to be as good as it can be. And I feel like hopefully this microphone will do the trick. In a very quiet room, testing it inside my helmet, it sounded amazing, honestly. So hopefully with the sound of outside, it'll be just as good. I just got off work a few moments ago. Figured I'll take a long way back. Don't exactly have a topic for this video. I'm hoping with buying this mic and if it works out really well, it should be the last piece of motovlogging gear I need for some time. I really can't see myself buying any more cameras for now. I would love to try those Insta360 cameras. They look really cool. I'd love to see what like a third-person perspective would be like, but unfortunately I don't have $400 to $500 from what I saw on Amazon. So there's that. Maybe I'll put that on my throne wish list. If you want to check out my wish list, I have it down in the description. A lot of the stuff on there is like streaming related stuff because I made that wish list when I was streaming a lot of the time. But hey, I might put some motovlogging gear in there, and if you actually want to make some suggestions on what I should check out, you can actually leave suggestions for that on the throne wish list. I'd appreciate it. Anyway, enough self-promotion there. You know, I feel like that's something that I need work on because obviously in order to grow a YouTube channel, gotta stand up for that part there. In order to grow a YouTube channel, you do need to self-promo in a way, and I feel like that's something I always feel weird promoting myself in ways because I don't want to, like, how do I put it? I don't want to appear as that weird guy that is just self-promoting, you know, because no one likes that guy, you know. But sometimes it's a good thing. Sometimes you have to put your name out there, and that's something I'm still working on personally, even when it comes to things like my art commissions, especially my art commissions. For those that don't know, I actually do art commissions. I do a wide range of things like Twitch and YouTube streaming emotes. That's one of my favorite things to make, actually. I also do character design artwork as well. And for a small time, I was offering VTuber model commissions, but I ended up not getting any, and it's been a while since I've actually made a VTuber model, like a 2D one. So it might be a while before I open those back up again. Ooh, lots of wind, lots of wind. I don't know how this sounds right now. You guys do. For those who have been watching the channel since we started, I went by this way when I first got the F2. So I guess this is a good benchmark to see how this mic sounds compared to my first ever F2 video. Ooh, that bump. We're going to go the same exact route too. There is a dirt path over here on the right. I don't know where it leads. I am very curious to see where it goes, but I'm almost positive that's all private property, and I don't want to find out the hard way. That's the one thing about off-roading. That's not something I have experience with, and the last thing I want to do is get stuck on private property on the scooter that's not even really made for that to begin with, so... But that's okay. Maybe, who knows, one day. I saw someone on a dirt bike go down that way once, but... we'll see. Speaking of off-road, I don't know if y'all noticed, so with the things I've added to the bike, with the handguards, to the side bags, and the windshield, part of me was kind of thinking to myself, making this look like the slowest ADV bike ever, and sure enough, I found on Amazon, ooh, I'm going way too fast for this road, ooh, alright, let's go. Had to make a small detour, but we're good now. I'm actually probably going to be turning back around because I just remembered that Little Caesars is doing that special deal where that you get some pizza and you get that pineapple Pepsi. I am one of those people that will spend extra money if I'm going to be getting a special limited edition soda. Okay, I'm weird. I will do it for a bottle. I will do it for a can of soda. Okay, which means we're going to be doing a real big fat circle, but it's okay. Ooh, I can't really read my GPS. I think it's just my visor. It's tinted a little dark. Okay, so, ooh, hold up, they're going quick. Do. All right, come on. Well, it looks like they did clean up the grass after all. Also, that is a lot of bikes that are not chained down to that truck. I do not like that. This Charger is behind me. Come on. I want to go to this taqueria one day. My brother's been asking me to go here for so long. We will one of these days. Not sure why the Charger is specifically staying behind me. I don't think it's a cop. Now, okay, it looks like they're... Okay, yeah, they're changing lanes. Yeah, nah, it's not a cop. Okay, Charger drivers, let me know. Oh, wow, Tacoma, like, it could have given me just a smidge more space. But I don't blame you, but... oh, well, I gotta... Do you buy the car because it looks like a cop, or is it just like a really good car? I've always, I want to test drive one day, because I actually genuinely like the design of the car. Like, I'm a car guy too, as much as I like two wheels, okay? But, for a small time, while I am not going very fast today, I do need to do an oil change. It is around that time, so hopefully... When I did my last oil change, I switched to synthetic, and I did notice a decrease in performance. I don't know if maybe I did something wrong, but I'm definitely going back to conventional with this next oil change, for sure. But yeah, no, I genuinely like the design of the Charger, but I don't know. Y'all scare me sometimes. But look, if I had a Hellcat, I would be goofing off too, okay? I think anyone would agree with that statement. Ooh, we're gonna pick up some speed now, come on. I'm thinking one of these days, as an extra video, I'm going to record just like a raw audio type of video, because I've been watching a lot of those kinds of videos. I'm gonna link a channel in the corner that I've been watching a lot lately. They have a really nice Harley, and it's just the sound of their engine as they're going places, and honestly those videos are really relaxing. I like the sound of those Harley motors. I would love to test ride one day. I'm thinking whenever I finally do. Hi. I mean, okay, I would have probably gone too. Okay, but I'm considering if I do the MSF course, I'm thinking I might go do it at a Harley Davidson dealership, because I know there's a few that do the MSF classes, and I'm almost positive you're going to be riding on a Harley for sure. We'll see. I would love to do a video of me doing the MSF course for sure, but we're still that's in the future. I have a lot of stuff I'm still kind of planning out and trying to figure out what I'm doing. Alrighty, we're almost at Little Caesars. About to get me some pizza. I'm actually meeting up with some family there because we all left at the same time. Probably once I get that parking lot, we're gonna call it a video. I know this is kind of like an improv in the moment type of video. I don't do these very often, but if you guys enjoy this type of content, be sure to subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think in the comments of any of the rambling I did in the video. And yeah, let's get a conversation started. It means a lot. And also, if you would love to support this channel even further, be sure to check out my links in the bottom of my Ko-Fi page where you can directly support me with donations and even monthly donations. That would help contribute to any future projects in the future, I guess, if we plan some. And also my little merch page. I have a little Stream Elements merch page too. I don't have a whole lot of designs yet, but we'll get there. But yeah, I will see you guys later. Y'all have a good one.